In the figure above, MQ, which is that whole thing, and NR, which is that whole thing, intersect at point P. So let's just fill that in quick. I don't know if this is going to do anything. Those are vertical. These are straight angles, so that would add up to 180, making this 120, making you 120. By the way, I might be wasting my time here, but let's see what happens. If you're 70 and you're 60, that adds up to 130, making you 50, because 180 minus 70 minus 60 is 50. That's all the information I got so far. Maybe more can happen. We'll see. NP is equal to QP. NP is equal to QP. MP is equal to PR. All right, so what we have is we have these two triangles are the same as these two triangles because we have side angle side working against side angle side, which tells me that you're going to be 70 degrees. No, you're not. You're going to be 50 degrees. Because that double, these two are the same, therefore these two angles are the same. These two angles are the same. What else do I know? What is the measure in degrees of QMR? QMR. All right, so what I also know, so all of this that I just did was kind of a waste, but that's all right, I had fun. What we have here is an isosceles triangle. We are now focusing on QMR, which is this angle right here. This angle is a part of this big triangle right here. Bada bing, bada bang, bada boom. It looks terrible, but you get the idea. In a isosceles triangle, these two angles, okay, the vertex angles are exactly the same. So if an entire triangle adds up to 180, we have 120 plus, we'll call UX, 2x is going to equal 180. Subtract both sides by 120, subtract both sides by 120, 2x is going to equal 60, divide by 2, x is going to equal 30. Disregard the degree symbol when gridding your answer. I'm going to listen. But that's what we have. That's what we have. So you're 30, you're 120, everything adds up. All these extra angles are just for fun, for future reference, I guess.